All right, let's jump over here and see what they've got at the Optima batteries booth. So I'm looking at a AMG of some kind. What's going on here? What do we got? What do we got? Is this an R63? Oh, geez. Big AMG wheels, supercharged 6.3 liter V8. Wow, I haven't seen one of these in a while. Over here, this crazy 720S. Looks like it's yellow. Is it wrapped or is it? I don't know. Let's play the game. Raptor painted. Raptor painted.
Sir. Look at that.
You know what?
That's
I'm going to call this painted. I think this actually might be the
right now.
The original color, or maybe just the current color. I don't know.
Yeah, that's
but it's a 720S tuned by WiseTech. It would be nice if it had some kind of spec sheet here or something, you know. But hey, you know what? Maybe it's just styles look like a yellow top battery or something.
We're going to give you a gift
what else we got? What else we got? This looks like a Mercedes. Whoa, what's going on here? So we have an AMG motor. Looks like it's been completely re-engineered. Two huge twin turbos. And this is what's interesting. Check out the turbo outlets. So you have this one here and this one here. They merge here, go back behind the firewall, come back around. I'm guessing there must be like some kind of water air intercooler in there. Come back around into the manifold, and boom, there you go. So actually, you know what? From what I remember, I believe this car may have like a supercharger on it or something, and may actually pull air from the rear to begin with. So I guess that's why they had to work around the limitation and have the air go through the firewall, which is pretty cool. But what I really like is right here. Notice the gap between the pipe and the firewall, and there's almost nothing there, and there's no gaskets. So they had to perfectly cut that hole to fit that pipe. My only concern with that is, well, what about the pipe rubbing? I'm sure that's going to cause some vibration. I'm sure that's going to be a pain in the butt, and eventually it might even cause the pipe to crack or wear all the way through. So I don't know about that, but otherwise, man, this is a really, really sick build. Let's see, we have one large radiator, kind of half size, offset like that. You know, this obviously looks like a some kind of drag car. Wow. Looks like the fenders have been completely cut away. You know, just to make room for the turbo down pipes. Cool. And this really is obviously like some kind of a drag racer, because one problem that I kind of see here is that the down pipe is right next to the damper, and as you're going on a circuit, the damper's oil is getting very, very hot, which would reduce the effectiveness of the damper, especially if it's right next to the really hot, turbine housing and downpipe. That's why I think this is probably set up more for drag racing than it would be for circuit driving, because you definitely don't want to get your oil hot like that. So really, really cool. I wonder how much power it's making. They don't have any kind of spec sheets out here. Let's take a look at the interior. What do we got? Oh, you got like a Hurst ratchet shifter. Don't think it has many speeds. I don't see a 1 and 2, so what is it, 2-speed? There you go. Yeah, carbon fiber seat. Look at that, carbon fiber bucket seat. And if you're a passenger, actually, they don't have any headrest in the passenger, so if you crash, well, good luck. All right. What else do you have out here? Let's see, you got this Evo, Time Attack Evo with a huge carbon fiber splitter, air dam, canards, and every single component, well, hot component of the turbo side has been covered in this really cool heat shield. So that's actually really good, because normally when I see people do this, I'm like, well, what about your radiator? It's going to be heating up your coolant. So that really helps to keep all the heat in check. What else we have? Got this looks like a 911 RSR. Actually, this might very well be what this is. Oh, well, it definitely win the Big Wing Award. You know what? I'm pretty sure this is the largest wing I've seen at SEMA. Check this out. So there's my hand. Oops. So here's my hand, and there's the wing. So there you go. Plenty of adjustments there too. Let's see, and this is dry carbon. Wow. This is probably some of the few pieces of dry carbon that I've seen at all anywhere in SEMA. So it's cool to see this. I They don't have any information on this. This might be the GT3R, because it's definitely not a GT3 RS or GT2 RS. They actually have a GT3 RS right here. So this must be the GT3R, which likely might be based somewhat loosely on the RSR race car. So I'm going to try to find someone. Maybe I'll get some information on this car, some more stuff that I can tell you guys. Okay, so I actually spoke briefly with this gentleman here. This is actually a GT3 that's been upgraded with components from the Porsche Motorsport catalog. So, if you had the scratch, literally anyone can put this together. So this is originally a GT3 converted to a GT3R. And man, this is just really sick, just completely over the top, and I love it.